Hey, educator. Are you sometimes feeling a little bit lost when it comes to complex documents that we have in our profession, whether it's policies, frameworks, or national quality standards, child safe standards? You need to know what they are about and you need to understand the nitty gritty details. You need to be aware of concepts, you need to be able to use them. I have an amazing tool that will help us all. And this is an amazing AI powered Google research partner called NotebookLM. All you need to do is to find it online. So let's go. I'm typing in here NotebookLM. Yeah, and Google NotebookLM is available to anyone who's got Google account. So here you can see you can click on try NotebookLM, and since I already have an account, it loaded my notebooks. I am going to show you how to create a new notebook. So you can add sources here, and for starters we are going to use EYLF. All right, EYLF, just one document that is our wonderful early years learning framework. You know that Storykate has a lot of videos about EYLF shorts and long forms. I have a lot of other resources, but here you are working with an original document and you are using AI that is providing you with personalized tutoring. That's amazing, something we only could dream of before. So let's have a look at what happened here. So here you see on the screen is a summary. Early Years Learning Framework for Australia. This is version 2.0. You can see that it highlights some keywords. Who is it for? What age group it targets, birth to 5 years of age. They say there is a vision, principles, practices, and 5 learning outcomes, belonging, being, becoming, 3 ideas. Also, it talks about key components, so we're gonna like it. We can save it to note. But here you can start asking questions about the EYLF. For example, how do practices and principles guide effective early childhood pedagogy? Yeah, so and you will find the answer in the document powered by AI as well. So you can see here the explanation that they serve crucial interconnected elements that guide educators, etc. So you can ask what is new in the updated EYLF 2.0. Yes, and it will give you some ideas. Yes, so you can see that these are new things. It used to be 5 principles, now it's 8. It shows you which principles are new or updated. You can see some enhanced practices. So it's now 7 practices. Yes, so and you can see also some other things that changed. Here you can also ask which government department published the EYLF if you are not sure. We used to look for it everywhere and ask our teachers as well and look in the document. Here you can see that it is published by Australian Government Department of Education. Wonderful. So you can also see how to cite this document. You can use AGDE 2022. That's what I use in all my readings and all my articles anyway. So now, how many learning outcomes? It's 5 learning outcomes, as you know, but here if you are new to EYLF or you are a student, you move to Australia from another country, you are actually having a good snapshot. But this is something that any AI could do, right? So although these are some new things, and that's why I wanted to create this video. So we are going to create flashcards, okay? So flashcards that will help you to revisit some concepts, to review them if you have a spare minute. And the key here as well is that this app is available on iPhone, on your smartphone, through Google or Apple shops, Apple stores, and you can create your mobile version of all this, right? So, and it also looks at videos and creates some summaries of the key videos. So you can watch my videos and ask for summaries. Yeah. You can create mind map here, and audio overview and video overview. I'm gonna click on video overview to see what we will get. Yeah. So while it's generating all this, let's have a look at flashcards. Okay. So we are going to look at flashcards. We're gonna expand on the flashcards, and here you go. You see, what are 3 core concepts that characterize children's life in early years learning framework, or EYLF? Wait for it. Yeah, do you remember? Belonging, being, becoming. Let's check. Yes, amazing. And then you can click on explain, and this is your learning tutor. Isn't it amazing? It's like having Storykate, who is having some tea with you and yammering about EYLF, right? So that's amazing, isn't it? Okay, so let's go back to our flashcards and continue. So we already know that. What is the primary aim of the belonging, being, becoming? The purpose is to give us shared language and provide us, as you know, with all this amazing concepts. Yes, so but it also guides our curriculum creation. Let's have a look. So to support early childhood providers and educators to extend and enrich children's learning from birth to 5 years. There you go. EYLF concept of belonging refers to children knowing, I would say, country and place and their family and who they belong to. Let's see. Where and with whom you belong. That's amazing, isn't it? Which EYLF concept recognizes the significance of the present and children being in the here and now. Is it belonging? Is it being? Or is it becoming? My guess is that it is being. Let's see if you will guess it. Yes, and then you can ask to explain, right? So let's check it out. I think it's amazing. I'm finding it super easy and super useful. Again, let's expand and have a look at some more. Which EYLF concepts reflect the process of rapid and significant change in children's identities, knowledge, and skills? Number 3, becoming. Yes, so let's see. Yes, and you can explain it. So this way you can see that I kind of know EYLF. So let's you can do self-check. It's amazing for your study. Now let's go back to Studio and look at the mind map. Mind map is another wonderful thing. So we have mind map. It's generating while it's been generated. Okay. So mind map is something that Storykate is also advocating for. Mind maps helped me to put all this information in my long-term memory. And as you can see, this one is showing you that this is EYLF. Yes, so and EYLF has some core vision, belonging, being, becoming. You can click more. Elements of framework. Do you remember from memory what they are? Vision, principle, practices, learning outcome, and also particular sub-outcomes. Principles, you can see them all at a glance. Isn't that amazing? Then you can see practices, and then for each of the practice, you can expand on, and you can add your own notes here as well if you want. See? So this all is unpacking. Assessment for learning, assessment of learning, assessment as learning. I made a video about it recently. Also, 5 outcomes of the framework. You can, of course, see the sub-outcomes or components of learning for outcome 2 as well. for outcomes 3. Now we have 3 components of learning of sub-outcomes, and we have 4 sub-outcomes for outcome 4 and 5 sub-outcomes. This is one of the best mind maps that I've seen on the EYLF. Amazing. Who needs any other resources, right? So now this is the mind map at a glance. We kind of now go back to Studio. You can print it if you want. And we're gonna do the quiz. Okay? Quiz is not just flashcards. So this is a proper quiz like you do it during your assessments, okay? So you already know the answer to this one because we covered it. So you see that the concept that shows the process of change is becoming. Yes, that's right. EYLF describes a planning cycle for educators. We know that because I made a lot of videos on planning cycle, which stage involves educators critically reflecting on the effectiveness of their plans. What do you think? I think it's B, evaluate. And that's right. Even if you made a mistake, there is a button that's called explain. I think this makes it amazing tutor for anyone who finds it difficult to learn in the classroom or learn online, or sometimes reading is a chore. Yes, so it really is great to test your knowledge. Which of the 8 principles specifically highlights the importance of educators collaborating with children, families, and professionals? It's partnerships. Yes, I know my EYLF. So I can keep going. It's 15 questions there. So amazing tool. Now let's go back and I will show you the most amazing thing that is called a video overview. Oh, they don't allow me to. Okay. They are making the video overview. Wait. So these are flashcards. This is the document, a note. Okay, so the video is generating. So what I'm gonna do instead, I'm just gonna show you the other notebook that I have, and let you listen to the audio overview that I created. So here we go. We are in the other notebook that I have, and I am going to show you the video overview. All right, let's.
Today, we're jumping into Australia's National Guide for Early Childhood Education. It's officially called the Early Years Learning Framework, or you'll often hear it called the EYLF. Think of it as the blueprint, that philosophy that sees child connected.
Here we go. It's like slides and
of change in early childhood. It's not just about the facts they learn, but about the dynamic process,
the dead center of every single decision. Layer and zoom in on the principles. You can really think of these as the fundamental values, the ethical compass that guides the day-to-day work.
Also, there was a nice audio guide that is like a podcast, so I have it for the other notebook and the other notebook. But you have, of course, some quote on how much you can use in your free notebook. So far, I was very impressed. This is EYLF, but I also uploaded very complex article before, and this article was summarized, unpacked, and then it allowed me to expand and explain and test myself and look at flashcards. I think it's really great tool. Doesn't mean that you shouldn't be watching my videos, of course, although we're all gonna be replaced by AI. Doesn't matter. I'm gonna sit in my garden and drink my tea. Yet, if you like this video, make sure to share it with anyone who might benefit from this wonderful free study companion by Google Notebook, and subscribe to my videos if you're not a subscriber. You can watch my overviews of the EYLF, where I share my examples from practice and where I explain concepts in a way that is more personalized. You also can look at the playlist that is dedicated to the EYLF and Victorian framework, because I'm in Victoria. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.